What's up, you guys? I hope you all are doing well. Today is yet another sunny day here in Missouri. So we are going to the St. Louis Zoo right now, and then we're going to stop by for lunch. We are also planning to see the arch, and if we get some time, we're going to explore a few more other spots. So stay tuned for that. And we have Neha here with me. We have Jongyun. I'm going to put this on my channel, YouTube channel.
Oh, good.
So we are actually at the gas station. Ashish just went to get some cold drink for us, and we're gonna meet a couple of other people once we are done with the zoo. So let's see how it all goes. So we just entered the zoo. Mask is still required in St. Louis. That's why we are still wearing the mask. We are planning to see the bears and the penguins section first. So we are heading there now. It's really hot and humid here. I just don't like this climate. It reminds me so much of Mumbai, but it is what it is. I think this is one of the fun spots in the whole zoo. They are just really stinky.
Yeah. I say they get paid a lot of treats to do this.
Yeah. Now we are inside the Penguin Cove. It's really cold in here, and I really like this part. Even though this place stinks, but the penguins here are so beautiful. They are having a group meeting. Oh my god! Woo! We just finished admiring the penguins. I think you should do this section towards the mid or end because it's really hot today, and the summer is usually going to be the same. Just finished seeing the butterflies. They are so colorful and beautiful and so delicate as well. I think it was one of the good sections, and other thing was that it was inside the dome, so we didn't have to be out in the sun and the heat. Now we are going to see the reptiles section. It's also an enclosed section, so that will save us from this crazy heat that's today. And even the lunch plan, initially we were planning to have lunch outside in the forest park itself, but now we are going to go to Atharva's place and have our lunch inside his house rather than going outside because this heat is kind of literally driving all of us crazy. We are finally at Atharva's place, and we are near the cathedral, which is quite famous. So we are going to explore that place after lunch. Let's quickly go up and have some pizza because I'm starving. For my vlog, I'm taking everyone eating. People's embarrassing moments while eating. I got you, Atharva. I got you on camera. Post-lunch, we went to the Cathedral Basilica of St. Louis. It's a Roman church completed in 1914, and it contains like 41.5 million glass tiles, which are available in more than 7,000 colors, and it covers an area of 83,000 square feet. It is the largest mosaic collection in the world outside Russia. It was after a very long time that we met so many people and we had some fun time, because most of the time it would be just me, Ashish and Girish in St. Louis. We don't have a lot of friends in St. Louis, but now since Atharva has moved here, we have been meeting him on and off, and today we had Neha, Jongyun, so we had quite a lot of people today. Right now we are going to St. Louis Arch. We're going to spend some time there because it would be the first time for Jongyun and Neha to see the arch. So let's go and show them around. We are finally at the arch, and things have changed around here a little bit. Initially they used to have free street parking. Now they don't have that anymore. They have parking there, and it's like a paid parking for $8. And see what's behind me. St. Louis Arch. For getting good photos, I think this is one of the best spots. You can get the whole arch in the frame. So we did click a lot of photos from here. Now we are going upstairs to get a more closer view. By the way, they also have these riverside cruises if you want to ever come here and try. I haven't tried it personally, but I've heard that they have New Year's and Christmas parties on these boats. I don't know what else you can do here. They also have helicopter rides. Helicopter rides would be kind of expensive. I don't know if it would be worth it in St. Louis. I know the New York's helicopter ride is good. If you ever have tried the St. Louis one, let me know in the comments how it was. So we are right now roaming around in this park. This place is kind of really beautiful today because of the weather. The weather is so nice. So behind me is the State Capitol building. Surprisingly, there are a lot of people. Usually when I come to this park, I don't see a lot of people here. But today I see a lot of people doing photo shoots or just walking around in the park. Weather also has kind of cooled down, so I think it's a good time to be here. We're gonna sit there for some time, listen to some music, and then take photos from the other side as well. So we came at the other side of the Capitol Hill building. Behind me is the arch and the Capitol Hill. This is actually a very good spot to get a photo with that background. So that's why I like this place. And they also have this colorful fountain here in the back. Usually in winters they have ice skating here, so it's a good time to come here even during the winters. We are heading home now. On the way we're gonna pick some shawarmas for dinner, and I think that's it for today's vlog. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you like the video, give a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.